What's up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. I hinted in the last one that this would be a cooking video, so here we go. We're going to cook some jalapeno poppers. If you don't know what that is, Mexican mice, jalapeno poppers, stuff like that. We're going to get that cooking and show you guys what's going on, and I'll film the process so you can follow along and make them at home yourself. You need jalapenos, cream cheese, and bacon. Those are the three things you need. You get those three things, you're good to go. If you want to if you want to follow along from home, I recommend you get that stuff and then watch the video, or you can watch the video and then if you want to follow along later and make them again, this is here for you guys. So let's get cooking. Cheese-filled bacon. Okay, a little messy, but super good. Oh. Super good. And by the way, not spicy. I take all the seeds out of the jalapenos. By the way, I didn't barbecue them, I smoked them. I smoked everything. Smoking is, in my opinion, better than barbecuing. But a little messy, but super good. That's the end of the video. If you guys want to see more cooking videos, subscribe, like, let me know what you want to see in the comments, and I'll do my best to get that going for you guys. Until next time, see you guys later.